So do a quick video on nails, different types of nails you might run into. So here is a smooth shank, a couple smooth shank nails. You can get them coated or uncoated, and they have a resin on them, so when you're driving them in, they heat up and will stick more. We have a ridged nail here. Right here you can see it even better, ridges. And then spiral nails. Here's some spiral nails. Typically the spiral nails are for hand driving in with a hammer, I would think. Whereas these ridge ones, they were air nailed in. But you can get them for, yeah, you can see right here where they were connected with each other. So these are, I think, thinner. I think the air guns, they typically have them a little thinner because they're driving them in faster. And if you're hammering in by hand, they're probably typically a little bit heavier shank. Either way, they all work. Over time, they're going to rust a little bit, which is will make them stick even more. And in this case, I'm putting them in yellow pine, so I'm pre-drilling. And they're going in well, and they're working really well. So just some of the different types of nails you might run into when you're taking stuff apart or if you go to buy them. Is there a significant difference? Probably not. One big factor is tapping the point of it if you're getting splitting when you're driving them in. But we've talked about that in other videos. So different types of nails you might run into.